So this is a display that we built specifically to show our homeowners why they need to use the system that we use and trust in the products that we show them. Because 30% of roofers, roughly, do not vent attics correctly, which does void the shingle manufacturer warranty. So a lot of them would just slap on a ridge vent. And while ridge vent will allow heat to escape, you can see that the smoke is not really coming out of there very fast. And if we start to open up some soffit venting, you can see that the smoke comes out a little bit better. And the design of the shingle vent that we use, the ridge vent, has an outside baffle to it, which allows the air to hit this, goes up and over the system. So we're going to turn on a fan on low, and you'll be able to see how fast it actually circulates out of this box. And then if I go ahead and turn on the machine again, you're going to see it pretty much come out as fast as it's being put in there. This is why you want to hire a roofer and not a marketing company that happens to roof. You want to hire roofers that have to market. This is Jeff with Triple Peaks Roofing and Construction. Let us make your home a healthy home by adding intake to your existing ventilation systems.